Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, I hope that you had a fantastic weekend, and we're going to go ahead and make our prediction for today's calendar card. Make sure you look at the fractions and the pictures and make your prediction. Okay, let's go and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a cracker and it looks like it might be cut into 4 parts? Now let's take a close-up of our card, take a close-up look of our card. We see that the cracker is separated into fourths. That's 4 equal parts. Remember, whenever we have fourths, that means it's 4 equal parts. All the parts are exactly the same. Now let's go ahead and say our date for today. Today's date, oh, and don't forget we start with the day of the week first. So today's date is Monday, November 23rd, 2020. Let's say that again one more time. Today is Monday, November 23rd, 2020. Okay, first graders, let's keep on going. So we are going to go ahead and say our days of the week, and we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we know from our calendar that today is Monday. Now use your first grade reading skills and read with me. Yesterday was. What was yesterday, first graders? Take a second, think about it. Yesterday was Sunday. You were at home resting and relaxing on Sunday. Now, if today is Monday, let's go ahead and read it. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, let's keep it going. Now, first graders, we're going to say our months of the year. And we always start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And we see that November is the 11th month. Oops, there we go. Our 11th month of the year. Okay. Now, first graders, we're going to see our date, and Miss Kyler always writes it 2 different ways. First way we see it is with the month, the number of the month, and we know that November is the 11th month of the year. And now our date is the 23rd, and our year is 2020. But you know me by now, and you know I never write all that. I only write that 2 last digits, that 2 and that 0. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation. That's when we take a long word, make it short. The abbreviation for November, and bring down my 23rd, comma. Now all 4 digits, 2020. Okay, let's keep going. So first graders, how many days have we been learning together? On Friday, we made it to 55 days. Today is a brand new day, so we have to add one more square. And we know we can count by tens to figure out how many days we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 days of learning together. I'm telling you, it is flying by our school year. Okay, let's go on. Miss Kyler is now going to write the number 56, and I'm going to spell the word 56. So here is our 2-digit number, 56, and here's how we write 56. And we know that this is a 2-digit number. In the tens place, we have a 5, and in the ones place, we have 6. And remember, for this whole month, I'm going to continue with our fact families. We know that 5 tens makes the number 50. Double check, check it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's where Miss Kyler gets the 50 from. And we know that 6 ones makes 6. How do we know? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones hanging out over there. So 50 plus 6 makes 56. And remember, for our fact families, we're just switching the order. So Miss Kyler's going to put that 6 in the front, and I'm going to put that 50 in the back. And we know 6 plus 50 is 56. Now I'm going to take my product, my all together, and put it right over here because we're doing our subtraction fact families now. So we know 56, and let's take away 50. Oh, let's take away 6. So 50 take away 6 is 50. 56 take away 50 is 6. All right, first graders, now let's go on to our time. For the whole month of November, we have been collecting hours of time. On Friday, we collected one more hour and it put us at 9 o'clock. So now, first graders, we're going to go ahead and collect one more hour. We know an hour is when that minute hand moves all the way around the clock. So we're going to go ahead and collect one more hour and look at my minute hand. Move all the way around the clock. So now we see that our hour hand, which is the little hand, is on the 10, and our minute hand, which is the long hand, is on the 12. So we can say this as 10 o'clock. Now that we're all done in the 9 o'clock hour, I'm going to go ahead and color the 10 o'clock section in. We're all done with this time. No more time will be there. All that's colored in. We're all done with the 9 o'clock section of our time, and we are now in the 10 o'clock section of our time. So Miss Kyler is going to go ahead and write 10 o'clock on our digital clock here. And go ahead, take a look over here at our time on another analog clock. Our hour hand is pointing to the 10. Our minute hand is pointing to the 12. And here's another look at a digital clock showing 10 o'clock. And Miss Kyler is going to go ahead and circle one more hour. We have now collected 10 hours in our day. And we know that this is the AM part of our day. So right about here, we would be in school still. If it was a normal school year, we would be in school during this time, 10 o'clock. So my first graders, I want for you to go ahead and finish your class kick assignment for today and use the rest of your day to make up any of your missing or old assignments that you would like. I'm going to go ahead and say bye-bye and see you later.